In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Practice Better. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up polished, consistent emails that save you time and keep your communication on brand. First, open your account and head to Settings and Preferences. From there, go to Notification Preferences, then choose Client Notifications. This is the control center for everything your clients receive automatically, like confirmations, reminders, and follow-ups. If you've ever wanted those messages to sound more like you, this is where you make it happen. Next, find the specific email notification you want to customize and tick the box next to it. You might start with a common one, like an appointment confirmation or a reminder email, but choose whatever makes the most impact for your workflow. Ticking the box tells the system you want to use a customized version of that message instead of the default. Now click Edit Template. This opens the editor where you can tailor the subject line, the header or title that appears at the top, and the body text. Keep your subject clear and actionable so clients immediately understand what the email is about. For the header, use a friendly tone that matches your practice's style, something professional but warm. In the body, write in plain language and keep paragraphs short, so the message is easy to scan on mobile. If there's important information, like next steps or preparation instructions, place it near the top. You can keep your brand voice consistent by using the same greeting and sign-off across all templates. As you edit, use placeholders to automatically personalize each email. Placeholders are little codes that pull in details like the client's name or your name when the email is sent. This keeps every message personal without extra typing. Personalization builds trust and reduces confusion, especially if your clients receive multiple emails from you. When you're happy with your edits, click Done to close the template editor. Then make sure to click Save Changes. Done closes the window. Save Changes actually applies your template so it's used going forward. After saving, your customized template is ready, and the system will automatically send your version whenever that notification is triggered. That's it. By navigating to Client Notifications, selecting the message you want, editing the subject, header, and body, using placeholders for personalization, and saving your changes, you've created a professional email template in Practice Better. Repeat the process for your other key notifications to create a cohesive, consistent client experience.